Innovasim.de presents a demo video showing a circling approach into Innsbruck, runway 08, using the TiSi-box. This demo shows you the possibilities offered by the TiSi-box. For this purpose we show you a circling approach to Innsbruck, runway 08. The view is automatically controlled by the TiSi-box. This enables you to perform a stress-free approach while keeping the eyes on the runway, instead flying blind under visual flight conditions. At this point, the approach checklist should be completed. Check for both HMM and EHM are deselected and both LEDs are off. Then use the knob to look around. Demo Part 1. Auto View from the Captain's Perspective. Before starting the turn for the final approach, press both HMM and DHN buttons and check if both LEDs are lit. Continue flying. No further interaction on the TiSi-box is required. Avoid height loss until the ridge has passed. Watch for the runway coming into view. Once the runway is in sight, extend the flaps full down. Stay on the visual glide path. If necessary, reduce speed using the air brake spoilers. Demo Part 2. Semi-auto view from the captain's perspective. Check for head move mode set and dynamic head move is deselected. Only the HMM LEDs is on. The view is now controlled by the rotary knob. Demo Part 3. Auto view from the Copilot's perspective. If you like, jump into the Copilot's seat just in an instant by pressing the right QM button. If you prefer an automatic view to the outside, again, check for both DHM and HMM buttons are pressed. On final, if the plane levels off, the dynamic head move is deselected automatically. This gives you a stable view before touchdown.
Und bis zur Stadt am Inn. Innsbruck, du wunderschöne Alpenstadt, wo ich beim Weinen ein Mädel geliebet hab, wo ich die schönste Jugendzeit verbracht. Innsbruck, ich liebe dich bei Tag und auch bei Nacht. Innsbruck, ich liebe dich bei Tag und auch bei Nacht.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned at InnovaSimD.